Janet Fritz here for Galaxy Girl Creations. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another week of Kit Conspiracy. This is our final week for April, and we are going way back using some old simple stories for this week. If you're not sure what the series is, we have been using a different kit each week in the month of April. We do this April and November. And by we, I mean MK over at Some Assemblage Required and myself. And we invite you to play along, whether you're using the same kit as us or something similar or something completely different. We don't mind. The idea is just to pull a kit and use it for 1 week as much as you can. We have committed that we are sharing layouts on Wednesdays, Sundays, and Fridays. If we are able to get more done with our kit, we will share on the other days as well. But we are both super busy with some things that are coming up in the summer and such, so you know, no guarantees if there will be some extras this time. Usually I would like to say we do five or six layouts, but maybe not this time. I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, so we're going way back. We have two different collections from Simple Stories here. We have Good Day Sunshine from 2014. Is that what I thought I just saw that? Yeah, 2014. And then we have some 24/7, which I think might even be the same year, 2013 for 24/7. So we have actually used Good Day Sunshine in the past. Like I think our first time we ever did Kit Conspiracy, we used Good Day Sunshine, but we still had leftovers, you guys. So we pulled it out. It goes really well with 24/7 just because they are all from the same time frame from Simple Stories, so they have a particular look and feel to it. So we're going with it. So we have these 6x8 sheets. Yeah, 6x8 sheets, which don't have to be used in a 6x8 binder. They can be used for something else. This one has a bike on the back, words, rainbows. This says every summer has a story. It's the same on the back, but the back side, of course, since it's cut out, you'll be reading it backwards. I have this sticker sheet, which is their Fundamentals cardstock stickers, which doesn't have a whole lot left on it, but you know, if I can get them used up, I will. And then somehow I have two of these sheets. I don't know why, but you can see one does not have a lot of stickers over here and one has quite a bit. So I pulled them both out because if I can get anything used up, I will. Those are all from Good Day Sunshine. This paper is also from Good Day Sunshine. It's just got the Viewmaster reels and then a stripe. This is called Enjoy the View. Very, very rainbowy. This is the 4x4 quotes and 6x8 photo mat elements. So they are different front to back, but you still get quite a bit of stuff. This is called Shades of Summer. So like a paint swatch card, and then a floral on the back. And then this one is called Blue Skies, which is a kind of repetitious of the 6x8 piece that had all of this kind of stuff on it, but the backside is Blue Skies. And then this one is called Carefree. So that is all from the Good Day Sunshine collection. And then we're going to move into the 24/7 collection. And there's a lot of it, you guys. Somehow I do not know, I think I got this from Scrapbook Steals many years ago. It's from 2013, so probably in 2013 or 14. I got this from them, and I had two of everything. So I split it out, one set for MK, one set for myself. And this is how we got this kit. Usually we try to pull from what we have in our stash, but this is from my stash, and I was like, hey, do you have any of this? And she said no, and I said, well, I've got a ton of it, so you want to split it out? And a kit was born. Anyway, so this is the journaling card elements. It's the 4x6 journaling card elements. But if you've been watching me do these kits or share these kits over the month, I do love these because I can cut these up and make embellishments out of them, even if I don't use them for the journaling card portion. So I like the option. This is probably the 3x4 journaling card elements. So, and I do like that they give you things going in both directions. I mean, you don't get every card in each direction, but you have the option of some of them are rotated. So, and I like that they just say live life 24/7. There's not a big, it's not super themey. It's just, you can do day-to-day photos with these. This is the 4x6 and 6x8. Oh no, sorry, 4x4 and 6x8 photo mat elements. So if you're doing a 6x8 album, this would have been these would have been great collections to have. I think I have it upside down because I have to keep turning them over to see the title. This is called 4x12 title strip elements, so great for borders. This one is called 6x12 page elements. So cut it in half and you've got a 6x12 that's already got a whole background on it. But if you can see here, like these match really well. I think I can totally put those together and it would be fine. That just pulling out a random page from the other collection. Okay. This one is called Bingo Card and Stripe. So I know there's a lot of people who like the bingo cards. They're not really my cup of tea, but I do love a good stripe, so I'm down for that. This is called Cork Ephemera, and I don't know what's wrong with me, but maybe it's me, not just me, but cork is really hard for me to use. I much prefer this side. I say that, and cork will probably be the first paper that I use. It always happens that way. This is called Red Tweed Calendar, and you can see the pattern on there. It's a kind of, I'm going to say a houndstooth, I don't know, chevron. And then you've got the calendar, which is not year specific, so that's awesome. We have a page called Hello, which is just a yellow chevron. And then the yeah, whatever those are called, hexagons. Hexagons with all the patterns. We've got some arrows. This one is called, now see, now my papers are flipped the other way. This one's called Good Stuff. So we've got like the typewriter key looking thing with just numbers, no letters. And then we've got the arrows. This one is called the 4x6 vertical journaling card elements. So apparently you can get them either way. More stuff I could cut up if I don't use it as a whole piece. This is a rather large kit, like I said. You know, we're probably not going to use a whole lot of it, but that's okay. This one's called Today, which is great because you could take all these pieces and put them on your calendar for a month, and you know. Then we've got a blue, I'm going to say honeycomb. Looks like a honeycomb. Small hexagon. We've got another calendar piece. This one's called Everyday. So with a light colored chevron and then the calendar. And we've got the blue chevron, lots of chevrons. This one's called Blue Chevron Grid. Oh, I love a good grid. So that's going to be fun. This one's called Gray Grid Lattice. So we've got the grid and they're calling that a lattice. Sounds like a good plan to me. I love that they read like a solid. This one is called Yellow Honeycomb / Notebook. So yellow honeycomb, and there's our notebook paper. So we have lots of that. Then we have some other stuff. Let me open this up because I've added stuff to this. So I had a sticker sheet for 24/7 that had things on it, and at one of our retreats when we were doing some planning, MK and I had the sticker sheet, and we decided to cut it up and share it with each other because since I was giving her half the collection or half of the papers, she needed some stuff to go with it as well. So that's where all of this came from. So I've got half and then she's got the other half. I think hers is more left whole, not cut up as much because I stuck mine in a smaller envelope. I cut it up. So That's the only reason. And then we've got these snap pockets, which we divided in half. Oh, we also had these layered stickers. These do not look like they're from the same. Hang on one second here. Let me grab these out. So there was a sticker set that came here that had some layered stickers, and then a sticker set here that had some layered stickers. So we divided those up as well. Some more little stickers there, and then some pockets. This actually had, and apparently some letters. Some alphas. So this had all of these pockets in it, and we divided them in half as best as we could. So yeah, I think we each got 3. Hers might be different sizes because that one's bigger, and then she must have this one, and she must have this one. So she has those 3 and I have these 3. So that was the plan. We divvied it out, and as you can see here, it was plenty of stuff for not just one person, but for 2 people. So that's pretty cool. I don't know exactly what I'm going to document with this. It might be some everyday life stuff, just because I feel like it can be used really well for that. And I mean, it even says enjoy the everyday, and that says just a typical day. So that might be just like a great thing to use it for, but we'll see. That is it for our final kit. I will be back tomorrow to share my first layout using this kit, and I hope that you join us in making your own kit and playing along with us as well. Again, it doesn't have to be the same thing we have. You can use whatever you like. The idea is to use it for 1 week and see what you do with it. That's it. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.